Having trouble with Bluetooth on your Amazon Alexa? This can happen because of pairing issues, old software, or the devices causing problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Bluetooth problem step by step. So let's jump into it. Before doing anything else, make sure these basic things. Make sure the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect to, like a phone, speaker, or headphone, is in pairing mode. Keep the Bluetooth device in your Alexa device within close range, ideally within 3 feet or 1 meter. Make sure your Alexa device is connected to Wi-Fi. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Pairing through the Alexa app. First, make sure to plug in your Alexa device. And make sure to install and set up the Alexa app on your phone. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Then tap Devices icon from the below. Now tap on your Echo device name. Here you can see the Bluetooth connection option. Tap Connect a device option under the Bluetooth connection option. Now pair a device that you want. Solution 2. Deregister and setup. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Tap the devices icon at the bottom. It looks like a bulb light icon. Now select the device you want to remove Alexa from. Then tap on the settings from the top right. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Deregister. Confirm your choice by tapping Deregister again on the pop-up. Now make sure to plug in your Alexa device. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, take some time to explore the app. Connect smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. That's all for today. Now you know how to fix the Bluetooth not working issue on your Alexa device. If this video helped you out, make sure to tap the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be there to help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay connected.